7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, so today we are doing tiny faces. So we're gonna draw like a little mouth and little nose just on your nose, and then you like cover your mouth and it's supposed to look like you have a tiny face. So we're gonna do that and see if it makes us look like we have a tiny face or if it just looks like a weird blob on my nose. So let's get to it.
VoiceOver Hannah is back! Yay! Okay, so what am I doing for this part of the video? I am putting on some foundation. And be warned guys, I never put on foundation or face makeup. I only ever do eye makeup. So please don't judge it. It's bad, I know. I'm also using some really cruddy foundation that I use for like plays and stuff when I act, and it's not very good. I also had no contour, so I was using bronzer, and I had no idea how to use contour since I never use contour, and yeah, no, it did not turn out very well. I know, okay? Don't roast me down in the comments for my makeup skills. I only ever do eye makeup.
So the first step of this is I'm going to make a little nose. I think I'm going to stop it like right here, like right for the bump of my nose, and that's where it's going to stop. My Morphe 35O palette. I'm basically just going to take a bunch of brown shades and try to make a new nose. Kind of weird, but enjoy this video of me making a new nose. Crazy. This part's gonna be really hard because I have to make two little like circles, you know, things. I don't know. Make my nose shape. Did I do it too far down? I did it too far down. This does not look great at all. It's definitely very sloppy. But I actually think it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna say that's done for the nose. And now, so that's the nose I'm gonna have. And then I make the lips right here, which that's gonna be the weird part. Let me grab some lipstick and a brush that I'm gonna shove up my nose. Fun. Okay, so I think first what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this lip liner I have that's like from the dollar store and also really dull. I should sharpen it, but I won't. I'm going to just kind of draw the lips on here.
Okay guys, so I got my stuff to do my tiny nose, and I don't really have real lipstick. I kind of just have lip gloss. So we'll see how well the lips turn out. But I'm thinking of doing like an outline of the lips with this. And then this I'm gonna use as like shadow to like shadow little nose and stuff. So I guess let's get to it. Let's start with the nose. Let's do, yeah, I think I'm gonna use this darker brown shade, I think. I'm gonna go with this. So let's do it. Also, ignore my face, it's sunburned and my hair looks crazy because I was outside and swimming all day, so I look like a crazy maniac. And I'm gonna kind of use a camera as my mirror, so let's see how this goes. Let's use a black eyeliner, and let's just do the lips first, and then we'll see where the nose goes. Oh no, this eyeliner is so cheap. It's from like the dollar store, so it smears like crazy. And let's draw like the line in the middle, like I don't know where your mouth opens.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You want me to do this? I don't know.
And just when you think you're good at art and then you do this and you're like, wow, actually I really suck. This does look like lips. I don't think they really look like lips at all. let's try doing the nose, you know. Let's just get to it. Ew. Sorry if you have your nose shaped like how I drew this. I feel really bad for you. Like, I don't know. Just kidding. I'm pretty sure no one has a nose like this. If you did, I have no words. Oh my goodness. Wait, actually that looks kind of good. You look like I have a two nose. Oh wait, that's actually kind of good. It kind of looks like a mushroom nose, but I think it looks pretty good, honestly. I should become a makeup artist. Who's down to let me do their makeup? Because I'm really good. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Wait, this looks kind of sick.
Okay, so now I'm trying to get rid of my nose because apparently you want that in a tiny face. It wasn't really working. I don't know. I kept trying things and it ended just making it look like I had dirt on my nose, but you know what? Whatever. This isn't even the worst part. So then I tried using this really crappy brush. It did not work. So I had a really stupid idea. So I repeat, do not whatever you do not do what I did in the next part of this video. You've been warned. Okay, I decided to put eyeliner on my nose. And you wanna know what? You wanna know a fun fact? It did not work. So then I tried blending it out, and you wanna know what? That didn't work either because it's liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh. And so I gave up. I couldn't really restart because then my face would be all black, and so I just went with it. I just went with this awful piece of trash on my face. By the way, if you didn't know, this was supposed to be a nose. So the next part, I decided to go with it and do my lips, but I had no lipstick. I only had lip gloss. And you want to know what? That didn't work very well either. It was very sticky and gross, and okay, I know, I look like an idiot. I'm having a panic attack in this because you want to know what? It's just awful. It's just trash. So to try to help this, I put on what I'm actually good at with makeup. It was some eyeshadow, and I did my eyes, but please just don't look at my face. I know this whole video is about my face, but don't look at my face because it literally looks like a 2-year-old drew on my face. But you want to know what? Liquid eyeliner just does not work. Do not ever use liquid eyeliner to try to draw things like a nose on your face. It does not work. Okay.
Let's see if it looks like a small face. Ready? So I might need to go into different lighting for this, but I see it. That's my nose. That's the lips. That's the nose. You see it? Oh my gosh, this is so weird. It looks like I have really fat cheeks. Do you see it? Hopefully you can. I can see it. That's weird. Comment down below if you see that. I keep like losing it. I'm like, there's no optical illusion. Then I see it again. I'm like, whoa. So hopefully you can see it. I mean, there's the lips, there's the nose. Yeah. It looks like my face is all squished.
Oh my gosh, guys, it kind of looks like a tiny face. Give me a kiss, sugar. I'm just kidding, that's really creepy. Wait, that actually... Guys, it looks really darn good. Like, it looks like I have a tiny face. Wait, hold up, that's really cool. Ah, I think it worked. Wow.
Does this look like a face? Does it look like a face yet? Guys!
Okay guys, final thoughts. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, I could have done better, but I was using the camera as a mirror, but It really does look like a tiny face. That's kind of cool.
So I would say this is super fun. Get a little small face. It was actually really easy to do, honestly, for my opinion. And I'm not good at makeup, let me tell you. But thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like,
comment down below if you think it looks like a tiny face, because I don't know, I think it does.
Subscribe. See you all next week. We post every Thursday. Okay? Bye, guys.